Good day, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 6a. You start a business and buy a delivery truck for 450,000 rands. If the inflation rate is 6% per annum, how much will a new delivery truck cost in 5 years' time? Remember that inflation is compounded. Inflation is compounded. We use the formula A is equal to P in 1 plus I to the power N. Our P is 450,000. Then our I is 0.06. If you write this percentage as a decimal, is 0.06. It's per annum, it's compounded annually. Our N is going to be 5 there. So let's substitute into the formula. A is equal to 450,000. Then 1 plus 0.06, which is 6%, and then to the power 5. And then you can put this in the calculator. A is equal to 602,201,5099. This is the answer before rounding off. So we round off to 2 decimal places. So it's going to be 602,201 rand 51 cents. This 0 is going to change and become 1 because of this 9 there. So this is 51 cents. So this is the value of the truck after 5 years due to inflation.